Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sandeep Satsandi and I'm a consultant hepatologist and liver transplant physician at Apollo Hospitals, Bangalore. Today I'm here to briefly discuss with you about an entity called as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It's a very common misconception which we see in patients of India that they think that the liver can get damaged only if they consume alcohol. This is a very wrong notion because in today's world we are actually encountering a much major problem called as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Now what happens in this condition is that fat is going to go inside the liver of a patient, and in few patients who suffer from fatty liver, this fat is going to cause progressive liver damage. This liver damage is going to lead on to liver scarring, and subsequently this patient is going to land up with liver cirrhosis, wherein you have a completely scarred liver. In these patients, they can have liver failure and subsequently develop liver cancer. First question, in which group of patients fatty liver is commonly seen? Number one, it is basically a lifestyle disease. So in those individuals who are basically on the higher side, their weight is on the higher side, or who have obesity, their body mass index is over 25, people who are not accustomed to do routine 45 minutes to 1 hour of brisk walking in a day, people who have diabetes, especially in that group whose diabetes is not properly controlled, people who have cholesterol issues, their bad cholesterol is high, their good cholesterol is low. These are the typical patients who suffer from fatty liver. Second question, how common is it in India? So if you randomly pick up 10 people and screen them, out of those 10, it is surprising that 6 to 7 people in India would have fatty liver. Now the most important concern would be that among these 6 to 7 people, in 1 or 2 individuals, this fat is going to cause progressive liver damage. It's going to damage the liver tissue, and these patients are at risk for developing liver cirrhosis. So we as hepatologists, we have to find out these 1 or 2 individuals in whom the fat in the liver can cause progressive liver damage. Second, what is the treatment you can advocate for fatty liver? So one would be with your hands and one would be with the doctor's hand. First, as I mentioned to you that it is a lifestyle disease. So the first single most important treatment would be to improve the lifestyle. Reducing or cutting short your calorie based items, sugar based items, sweet based items, reducing your calorie intake per se is a very important strategy to target fatty liver. Second, brisk walking, at least 45 minutes to 60 minutes in a day, is a very important modality to remove the fat from the liver and prevent the fat from damaging the liver. Controlling your sugars is again a very paramount important prognosticator and treatment modality for treating fatty liver. If your hepatologist diagnoses that this fat is actually causing liver damage, he is going to prescribe you certain medicines. There are a lot of good medicines which are available right now which can prevent this fat from damaging the liver. So it is very important for us to find out that group of people who are at high risk for progressive liver damage and treat them so that they don't land up with a potential complication of liver cirrhosis in 15 to 20 years. Please take your fatty liver seriously. Do not take it lightly. And please see your hepatologist if you're diagnosed with fatty liver. Thank you.